In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Recaptcha to Wix website. Recaptcha helps protect your forms from spam and automated submissions. In this tutorial, you will be adding it directly within the form settings inside your Wix editor, so you do not need to work with complicated code. First, click or navigate to your form on the page. Take a moment to locate the form element that you want to secure, because the next actions depend on having the correct form selected. Once you have the form highlighted, select Settings. Then choose Edit Form. This opens the form editor area where you can manage how the form behaves and what security options are available. Next, once you are inside the form editor, you will go to the Settings tab within the form panel. This tab is where Wix groups important configuration options for the form. When you select Settings, you should see a panel or section dedicated to the form's general behavior and protection tools. This is the place you need to be, because Recaptcha is controlled from there. Now that you are in the Settings area, move your attention to the Spam Protection Controls. Look for the section labeled Spam Filter Setting. You may need to scroll slightly or adjust the panel view to find it, depending on your screen size. This part matters because Recaptcha is part of the spam filtering features that stop bots from filling out your form automatically. After you find the spam filter setting, choose Advanced. Selecting Advanced is important because it typically reveals additional security options, including Recaptcha. In some views, you might first see a simpler set of filtering controls. By choosing Advanced, you ensure that you are looking at the full range of protection settings Wix offers for forms. With Advanced selected, you will now choose Recaptcha. Look for the option that specifically says Recaptcha. Selecting it will enable Recaptcha for your form, adding the extra verification step that helps distinguish real users from automated spam. Make sure you select the Recaptcha option from the available choices so that it applies to the correct security mechanism. At this point, you have already configured the Recaptcha security method. The next step is to apply those changes so Wix saves the configuration. Click Save to confirm and store your settings. This is the step that finalizes the process, so do not skip it. After saving, you should see the settings panel close or update, indicating that your form now includes the new spam protection. Finally, take a brief moment to confirm that everything looks right. In most cases, you can preview or check your form on the page to ensure the Recaptcha feature is properly included. If you do not see it immediately in the editor view, that can be normal, since Recaptcha interactions sometimes appear when the form is submitted or during a preview, and that covers the full process. And that is all there is to it.